For this project, we have chosen to develop an open-world fantasy game named Cosmic Divide. Above shown are our team and faculty members who contributed in completing our project. Problem statement: creating engaging and high-quality games on different platforms with a focus on user experience. Description: an open-world, easy-to-play fantasy RPG set in the aftermath of an ancient war that broke, where players engage in explorations and impactful choices that shape the storyline. Scope: the scope of our game is the blend of fantasy, mystery, skill-based compact, and multiple outcomes, offering high replayability through unique endings. Gen AI elements. Gen AI elements of the game includes dynamic behavior, pathfinding, evolving world, adaptive strategies, and procedural quests. Key factors of the game includes magic combat, exploration, lore choices, fractions, puzzles, and replayability. Target audience of the game are RPG fans, fantasy lovers, and open-world explorers seeking immersive gameplay. Different APIs used in the game are Game State API, Memory Advice API, Game Mode API, etc. Project features are concept and planning, world design, character and fraction design, prototyping and testing, launch and post-launch. Coming to the technology stack, in the presentation layer, we used immersive UI, dynamic visuals, intuitive controls, and engaging animations to improve the experience. The application layers includes more practical applications of the game, like game logic, combat mechanics, and quest management. The data layer consists of different data blended in the game, such as player data, game state, assets, etc. Source code repository link is attached in the presentation. Methodologies adapted are agile development with iterative testing, development, and feedback. Product tools include Unity, Blender, Photoshop, and much more. Infrastructure of the game is vast and has cloud servers, databases, content delivery network, multiplayer backend, and storage. APIs are Unity C# scripting, multiplayer, addressable, and RESTful analytics. The wireframe and various elements of the wireframe are shown in the presentation. The application screenshots are also attached in the given presentation. All short-term, mid-term, and long-term journey and roadmap of our project is given in the presentation. The next part of our presentation includes a hyperlink part where different links to our project's elements such as wireframe, application, presentation, portals, source code, etc. are given. Now, let's move on to the application part. Upon opening the game, we see a main menu that has various options such as New Adventure, Load Adventure, Settings, and Quit, which we can toggle through according to need. Now, on selecting New Adventure, we are welcomed by an engaging intro that leads us into the game. After the intro, we are now spawned inside the game in the village as the protagonist, Alicia. We can move our character by binding different keys for movement and action. Continuing the journey, we encounter a witch along the path. Upon interaction, which is possible with a key bind, after going near the witch, she gives us a quest which will be displayed on the screen. After accepting the quest by clicking the Accept button, we can venture on to complete the quest, and for the quest to be displayed on the screen, press and hold Tab. Now we venture into the forest to complete the quest, where we encounter different animals such as rabbits, which play around in groups. To complete the quest, we head for the cave hidden inside the forest, where we find an orb. We need to break the orb in order to obtain the powers concealed inside it. To do that, we use our own magic. The powers inside the orb gives us a boost in our own magical powers that allows us to shoot sharp, more accurate, and powerful magic, which gives out more impact. After completing Quest 1, we can head towards the witch again and interact to obtain Quest 2. This continues till all the quests are solved. Following the trails of the forest would lead us to a well-developed city that has multiple buildings which are built based on the era of the story. From the city, we can access a major checkpoint as well as a milestone of the game, which is the Sun Temple of the game. The Sun Temple is a huge textured temple that highlights ancient history and epics. The Sun Temple holds many mysteries and is an important part of the game.